What's up, friends? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia, also known as Kinky Sweat. I love all things movement and beauty, what can I say? Today's video is in partnership with Aquis. I had worked with them in the past. If you want to see both my videos, my updated wash and go, as well as my natural hair story, I will post the cards up above and the video links down below. Today's exciting because we're going to talk about their new Aquis Prime Hair System. They are known for their Aquis hair turbans and towels, with their technology that cuts drying time down to 50%, and also with the knowledge that hair undergoes hydral fatigue. Hydral fatigue! Along with their hair turban and towels, they recently released new products. You can get these individually or in a set. So if you want to see how these products apply, how they work, and some knowledge about them, then please keep on watching. If you saw my updated wash and go video, you would know that I have been using my hair turban to just take out the majority of water from my hair before I go in with styling. I've been loving that method simply because my hair dries faster, my product doesn't drip anywhere, and I also don't lose product because sometimes when my hair is so wet that when raking through, it just falls on the floor. And I actually like how it dries better. It dries with a little bit of more fluff and not so flat, and that's why I prefer to use my turban before I go in with my styling products. If you want more in-depth information on the Aquitex technology they use to create their turbans and their towels, head over to my original updated wash and go routine video. I get really nerdy on that one, so it's a fun one to watch. We're still gonna get nerdy today with these hair products, so don't you worry. Today I use their 4-step system with their water defense pre-wash, their rebalancing hair wash, and then their restorative leave-in conditioner. You can purchase these products individually or purchase them in a set. It comes with 3 products and their hair turban in this really cute drawstring bag that I will be reusing. Hairstrong on the front because reinforcing the fact that this whole line, which another reason why I love to work with them, enforcing the fact that we should love our hair as it is, through the whole spectrum of texture. We find ourselves relying on products to manipulate our hair to make it look how we want it because it's too frizzy, it's too this, it's too dry, it's too damaged. How about we rely on a system and hair products that help repair our hair, that don't damage our hair, and that we're not constantly relying on product to make our hair do what we want it to do because it is so frizzy, damaged, and broken. I'm sorry. And here enters the Aquis Prime Hair Kit. What does it do? Primarily, it's designed to improve your hair's health by preventing hydral fatigue. What's hydral fatigue? Hydral fatigue is the swelling and overstretching of your hair when it is in its wet state. And the problem lies where we handle our hair in this state, where we try to detangle it, styling it, relying on hot tools to dry our hair in a super soaking wet state, when really we should use those tools when it's damp. The cuticle is raised and is prone to more damage when it is exposed to heat. This kit is designed to rebalance your hair's pH because she does have a pH just like your skin. Our hair's pH lies between 4.5 and 5.5, and the issues we run into if we do encounter frizzy hair and dry hair is usually water itself is like at a 7. And if you use a very harsh shampoo, very alkaline in nature, it's going to disrupt your hair's pH, making it tangled, frizzy, not shiny, and dry. How do we use this kit? Okay. First, you have your hair defense pre-wash. It protects your hair from moisture loss before you even wash your hair, before you even wet it. It sets hair to its natural pH of 4.5 to 5.5, and it's designed to leave your hair smooth, frizz-free, shiny, and bouncy. Which is what I'm experiencing now. Like, I know the word fluffy has certain connotations, but this is a good fluffy. It's weightless, but it's not dry. It feels soft, and it doesn't feel weighed down, which is how I prefer to wear my hair anyway. This also fortifies hair against damage caused by washing, drying, and styling. And it makes your hair hydrophobic prior to getting wet. So it's gonna protect your hair from hard water, especially if you live in a city region where the water is very hard, high in mineral content, and can wreak havoc on your hair. I really love this solution. You'll see here I section my hair off in quadrants so it's easier to saturate with the spray, and I found that I love the pump on it. It was very easy to spray. a lot sprays out in one pump, and I found that it was very simple to saturate my hair with no trouble at all. Ideally, you'll let this set for around 2 minutes, the more the better, before you get into the shower. And I loved how my hair looked just by spritzing this. I mean, this will make an ideal refresher. If I had a refresher spray that did this every day, I'll be all for it. Aquis, can you make a refresher spray? That'll be great. The next step is the rebalancing hair wash. Truth, lather doesn't mean clean. It sure doesn't. It means dry. This formula is clean and plant derived, and it helps renew and fresh the hair without stripping it, which is typical of harsh detergents found in other shampoos. This also sets your hair to its natural pH. So again, we are maintaining the hair's natural pH before wash, during the wash, and we'll get to after the wash. This is also designed to keep the cuticle smooth, which will prevent tangling and frizz. This is a nice low-key sudsing shampoo I found created sud right away, but it was not aggressive, and I was also able to finger through lightly my hair. I always have this section because I find that's the most effective way to get my hair clean, having so much. And when I partition it, I can ensure that the shampoo gets into my scalp. I could take my time massaging it in there, and the shampoo rinses clean. I felt I didn't have to spend a lot of time under the water to get the shampoo out. Third step is to use either your Aquis hair turban or one of their waffle design big towels. Now this is very funny. I was following the 4-step system. I was so involved that I forgot to apply conditioner. But here's a fun fact. Traditionally, the role of a conditioner was to replenish your hair after the shampoo step. We've come a long way in terms of innovative formulas that do not strip the hair and do not rely on harsh detergents to wash the hair. And because, you know, back in the day when I was using Vidal Sassoon or whatever I was using, Tresemme, after your hair got washed, it felt dry and was very, very tangled, and you needed something with slip to help detangle your hair so you would not lose it and you would not break it and damage it. I just skipped the conditioner step because I didn't feel the need to do it after I rinsed out the shampoo. It was kind of crazy. While I was styling my hair, I was like, I forgot to put on conditioner. But we didn't go without conditioner completely, which leads us into the 4th step, the Restorative Leave-In Conditioner. This is designed to seal in moisture weightlessly. It again sets your hair to its natural pH of 4.5, 5.5. It leaves your hair frizz-free and tangle-free. And might I add, in regards to the fragrance with all 3 products, fresh, clean, really nice. And it's not overwhelming. It does not mask any of your favorite styling products that you wish to apply after the leave-in conditioner or even after you rinse out the shampoo. I spritzed on in sections, making sure my hair was coated from root to tip, and then I went in with my Diva Curl Super Cream for styling. And understand, the whole point of this video is just to provide another perspective on hair care. If you are frustrated with your hair in that, again, like we mentioned before, you rely on products to make it do certain things because it is constantly dry, constantly damaged, find that it's not in a balanced state, that you have to rely on product to manipulate it to make it look a certain way. Maybe it is water damage. Maybe it is how you treat your pre-wash step and the shampoos that you use and the leave-in conditioners that you use. Ever since I've been using my Aquis hair towel, I've noticed less frizz and my hair just stays tangled free. And if you go to my natural hair story video, I just used my Aquis hair turban and I did not apply any product after I took it off. And that just goes to show the technology of the Aquis hair turban and towels is designed to help your hair stay frizz-free, tangle-free, and smooth without the use of product. Now, I'm a product junkie, as you know, and if I want to apply these products, they're not going to mask my hair, but they're going to enhance it. They will provide a little more definition and a little more shine. The point is, my hair will be able to be frizz-free, shiny, and smooth on its own. It's something that was brought to my attention because hard water is a thing, and it can wreak havoc, and it can, no matter how expensive your hair products are, no matter what deep conditioner you use, the hard water is gonna wreck your life. It's great they design a product that the sole purpose of it is to protect your hair from hard water and hydral fatigue. It says right here, truth, wet hair is weak hair. And if you're still undergoing frizzy, tangled, damaged hair, take a look at your shampoo. Make sure it does not rely on harsh detergents to clean your hair. Because again, lather does not necessarily mean clean. And the lather this creates is very light, and it actually, once you get it in, it dies down very quickly, and that's why it's very easy to rinse out. And with the leave-in conditioners, if you feel you're relying on products that are very heavy, that you feel they need to be in order for your hair to be moisturized, then that's not necessarily the case. It says here on step number 4 on the restorative leave-in conditioner, heavy doesn't mean hydrated. Remember when we used to use pink lusters? I do. And our hair was just like, I learned something new about my hair every day. I discovered that I want my hair to be weightless, but I still want it to be healthy, moisturized, hydrated, frizz-free, and smooth. And I find with the innovative formulas that are now being created, they deliver just that. That is not necessary to rely on heavy ingredients that are just going to coat your hair but not actually repair your hair from the inside out. Ideally, you want to use a product that's going to not only give you shine and bounce and moisture and definition, but you also want something reparative that's going to help protect your hair from the elements, from pollution, from sun damage, and hydral fatigue. Let me know down below if you picked up any of the Aquis hair products that we spoke about today, whether it be the turban, the hair towel, the pre-wash, the rebalancing shampoo, or even the leave-in conditioner. I'm definitely going to continue using these products. They were a pleasure to use. My favorite one by far is the pre-wash. I mean, I freaking love this stuff. I loved how my hair looked just from spritzing this alone. And again, it's nice to use a well-designed pump that it's a big pump, so you're gonna get a lot of product out in one press. I found that it was easy to hold, easy to handle, because if you're dealing with a formula that needs to spray a lot, that if you have a lot of hair like me and you need to get a lot in there, is a pleasure to use when the bottle itself is well designed for that purpose. The best bang for your buck, especially if you don't have an Aquis hair turban, the whole kit retails for $49 and is valued at $72. Let me know down below if you have any questions about the products in terms of their ingredients, how to use them, and a huge thank you to Aquis for partnering with me with this video. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you on here again with another video, tutorial, chit chat, or review. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.